Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss about the chapter speed, distance, and time. In my previous chapter, we have discussed already the speed, distance, time part 1. So, on this chapter, we have already discussed the basic formula, that is speed equals to distance by time, time equals to distance by speed, and distance equals to speed into time. We already discussed these three formulas in previous lesson. So now we have to focus some another things, that is, if a train, that means this chapter belongs to the train math or train problem. Okay, if a train cross a tree or a person or any pole or post, what is the meaning of that? It means the particular train in a few seconds or in a particular second or particular time, it can cross its own distance. Means, think about the length of the train is 30 meter. Think, okay, if the train taken to cross the tree in a 5 second, that means in a 5 second the train cross its own distance. Means the train cross its own distance in a 5 second, that is 30 meter. Clear? So tree may be person or maybe pole. Okay, then what will be the formula of the this train problem? Number one, the time taken by a train, the time taken by a train to cross a point. A point means, what is the meaning of that? A point means maybe a tree, maybe a person, maybe a pole. That means length of the train divided by speed of the train. Okay, clear? The time taken by a train to cross a point means length of the train divided by speed of the train. Number two, think about if a train if a train cross a bridge or a platform or any tunnel, what is the meaning of that? If a train cross a bridge or if a train cross a platform or cross a tunnel, it means it can cover its own length as well as the bridge length or tunnel length or the platform length. That is the mean. That means if the length of the train is 30 meter and the length of the bridge or platform whatever is 40 meter, then what is the length should be covered by the train if the cross a bridge? If the cross a bridge, then the train can cross 40 meter plus 30 meter, that is 70 meter. Distance can traverse. Okay, again, if a train cross a bridge means it can cross its own length as well as the bridge length, or if a train cross a platform means it can cross its own length as well as the platform length. If a train cross with the tunnel means it can cross its own length as well as the tunnel length. Clear about it? Clear? So here we have discussed all those things. So এখানে the time taken by the train to cross a bridge, number 2 formula, the time taken by the train to cross a bridge or platform or something else. Platform means it covered length of the train, length of the train plus length of the bridge or platform length of the bridge or platform or tunnel divided by the time to speed of the train, speed of the train. That is the basic formula. So here we have to know the time taken by a train to cross a point means length of the train divided by speed of the train, and the time taken by a train to cross a bridge means the length of the train plus length of the bridge divided by speed of the train. Clear? Okay. Now we start our problem. Okay. The first question is given the speed of a train is 30 km per hour, 17.1. The speed of the train. So speed is given, speed of the train is given 30 km per hour. That is 30 km per hour. 30 km per hour. And how long will it take to cross the signal if the length is, so length is given 25 meter. Okay, so how long, so they asking about the time. So basically we know the time is distance by speed. Before we sort out this problem, first we have to convert in the same unit. Here kilometer is given, here meter is given. So first it convert into meter per second. How it convert into meter per second? Simply if you multiply it by 5 by 18, then this kilometer is converted to meter by second. That means 2 9 ja, 2 15 ja. That is 75 by 9 meter per second. Okay, so now today I have discussed this math, sort out this particular math 10 problem in 3 ways. Okay, I am definitely going to discuss about the 3 way. You can pick any one of them. So the first way, in the first way we are simply applying the formulas. Okay, so that is the time. So time equals to distance, and the question is asking the speed of the train and how long to cross a signal, means obviously time equals to length of the train divided by speed of the train. That is equal to length of the train is 25 meter and the speed of the train is 75 by 9. That is 25 into 9 by 75. That is 25 1 ja, 25 3 ja, 3 3 ja 9. That means 3 seconds. Okay, clear? So we have completed the questions. So another way, that is second way we are applying in this problem in unitary method. Like here time is asking, that means so distance and time, that is distance, first part is distance is 30 kilometer, means 30 kilometer is equivalent to 30,000 meter. So 30,000 meter traversed by 1 hour equals to 3600 second, and then you have to cover the 25 meter in how many seconds? Okay, or questions. So the train traverse 30,000 meter in 3600 second. Okay, therefore the train traverse 1 meter in 3600 by 30,000. So remove 00. The train traverse 25 meter in 36 into 25 by 30. 5 5 ja 5 6 ja. Okay, 0, sorry, 300 or 6. So simply I just missed 10. So 5 6 ja 30, 0, 6 6 ja 36, 6 10 ja 5 2 ja 10, 2 3 ja 6, that is 3 second. So, and the third way you can solve this, that is proportion method. Distance time means 30,000 in 36 taken time in 3600 and 25, that is x. We are using proportional method. Okay, so proportional is very simple, that is this is a proportion, direct proportion. Okay, that means the particular value is to, that means 30,000 is to or divided by 25 is equal to this value divided by x, or cross multiplied is, that is 30,000 x is equal to 25 into 3600, or x equals to 25 into 3600 divided by 30,000. So remove 20 here, and 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 1 ja 5 12 ja 12, 3 ja 36, that is 3 seconds. In every case we easily find out the 3 second. That is the way this problem can be sorted out in that 3 method, that is the formulas, unitary method, and the proportional method. Okay, clear? Okay. Number 2, question number 18. Question number 18. A 110 meter long train travels at 30 km per hour. How long it takes to cross a platform in 90 meter long? Okay, here given data is a 110 meter long train. The length of the train, the length of the train, that is 110 meter, and the speed is given 30 km per hour. 30 km per hour. Now here meter is given, here kilometer is given, so simply convert into the meter per second. That is equals to 30 by 30 into 5 by 18. If you multiply 5 by 18, it convert into meter per second. 2 9 ja 2 15 ja, that is 75 by 9. And how long, that means the asking the question of time, what is the time, and the length of the platform, length of the platform is given 90 meter. Okay, so now here basically the particular train cross the platform means the train cross the platform. That means, what is the meaning of that? It means the length of the train, that is 110 meter, and the length of the platform is 90 meter. You must have to added it. It means it can cross its own length as well as the platform length. Therefore the distance or the time taken by the train to cross the platform, the time taken by the train the time taken by the train to cross the platform, that is equal to length of the train, formula length of the train plus length of the platform, divided by speed of the train, that is length of the train is 110 meter, length of the platform is 90 meter, and speed of the train is 75 by 9, that is equal to 200 into this 9 comes to the numerator position, divided by 75, 25 3 ja 75, 25 8 ja 200, 3 3 ja 9, 8 3 ja 24 seconds. That means in 24 seconds the train crossed the platform. Clear? That means the given data, the length of the train is given and the speed is given 30 km per hour. And one thing, remember that unit must be same. Here kilometer per hour is given, here meter is given. Either you have to convert this meter to kilometer or this kilometer to meter. Clear? So we have to convert the kilometer to meter by using the 5 by 18. Okay, then this value is now is meter per second, and the length of the platform is given. So the time taken by the train to cross the platform is length of the train plus length of the platform divided by speed of the train. Clear? We just simplify it and we get the 24 second. Okay, next question. Okay, in traveling a train, 19, question number 19. A train traveling at a speed of 36 kilometer. That means here speed is given, that is speed is 36 kilometer per hour, and to cross a 98 meter long platform, length of the platform is equal to length of the 98 meter in 20 seconds. Time is given, time is 20 seconds. Okay, find the length of the train, Okay, first again, so we don't know the length of the let the length of the train be x meter. Clear? First we have to convert this kilometer to meter per second, that is 36 into 5 by 18, 2 9 ja 2 18. Okay, 9 2 ja 5 2 ja 10 meter per second. Clear? So we don't know the length of the train we just assume the length of the train be x. Okay, so all the value is given. So we here applying proportional method. Okay, you can applying the formula also. Here the data are that is time distance. That means time is given, that is in 1 second the train covered 10 meter. Okay, in 20 second the train cover length of the platform as well as length of the train. Is it clear? In 20 seconds it can cover, it can traverse or cross platform as well as its own length, platform as well as its own length. It is the direct relation. Therefore 1 by 20 is equal to 10 by, or you can write using 1 is to 20 double is to 10 is to 98 plus x. That means the same, that means 1 by 20 is equal to 10 by 98 plus x. That is cross multiplied, 98 plus x is equal to 20 into 10 means 200, or x is equals to 200 minus 98, or x equals to 102 meter. So we get the length of the train, that is 102 meter. We are applying the proportional method. Okay, clear? So you can, apply the formulas also. So, or in unitary method you can easily sort out this problem. So here the speed of the train is given 10 meter per second, that is, and the length of the platform is given, and the time, and that means here the length of the platform is given. You just simply find out the distance of the distance, that is length of the train plus length of the platform. Then you can easily applying the formula. Okay, clear? This is a direct method or direct relation. You can write it here. This is a direct relation. This is a direct relation in applying it. Okay. Now 20. A man standing on a platform 220 meter long, platform 200 meter long. The length of the platform is given, platform, that is 225 meter. That train traveling at a uniform speed passes in 6 seconds. So time is given, in 6 seconds it crossed the particular man, and platform in 21 seconds. That means passes in time is given, two times is given. In 6 seconds it passes is the particular man, and in 20 second 21 second it crossed the platform. Okay. Then find the length of the train and the speed of the train. Fine. Now first let the length of the train be x. Okay. Any doubt? We have to taken that. Assume the length of the train be x meter. Now they are asking about the speed of the train. So here we are applying proportional method. In proportional method, it is the very easy to sort out the particular problem. Easily you can sort it out. How? Just look at it. So the distance, time and the length. Okay, so distance and time. The length of the platform is 225. When it cross means it can cross platform as well as the length of the train. The time is taken by 21 seconds. Any problem? No problem. And in 6 seconds it can cross a man. It can cross a man means it can cross its own length. If it can cross a man, it can cross a tree or any pole or pole. So that means it can cross its own length. Okay, that is the direct relation. Therefore the relation is a direct relation. Direct direct relation. Therefore we can write 225 plus x is to x double is to 21 is to 6, or you can write 225 plus x divided by x is equal to 21 by 6. So simply 3 2 is 6. Okay, now cross multiply it, or 7x is equal to 225 into 2 means 450 plus 2x, or x equals to, not x, that is 7x minus 2x equals to 450, or 5x equals to 450, or x equals to 450 by 5. Therefore length of the train is 90 meter. Okay, now find the, they are asking about the what is the speed of the train. Applying the formula, speed of the train, the speed equals to distance by time. Okay, so you can take anyone, so you can take this relation or the particular that relation. I think this relation is the best. Distance, that is x means 90 meter in time taken 6, that is 15. Okay, clear? 15 meter per second, or you can multiply it by 18 by 5, then it convert into the kilometer per hour. That is 15 into 18 by 5, that is 54 kilometer per hour. Complete. Look at. Any doubt? Now first of all, it can cross the platform in 21 seconds and cross a man in 6 seconds. Therefore the length, we will simply assume the length of the train be x, and the distance that will cross the platform mean in 21 seconds it can cross the platform. Cross the platform means it can cross platform as well as its own length, and in 6 seconds the it can cross a point or a man, that means it can cross its own length. The relation is a direct relation. We can simply find out the length of the x equals to 90 meter. Now they are asking about the speed equals to distance by time, that is 15 meter per second. Now convert it into the kilometer per hour. If you multiply it by the 18 by 5, it can convert into the kilometer per hour. Okay, we are applying proportional as well as the formula in this math. Clear? Okay, I think it will be easy to you. Any doubt? Okay, the train problem, most of the train problem I just simply sort it out. Okay, so practice carefully. It is a interesting chapter and you have to practice more and more, then definitely this problem will clear to you, and you have to remember some basic formulas. Okay, and definitely this is the interesting chapter and you can easily crack in your examination. Thank you and have a nice day.